Hey everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes. We're doing another shop walk around for you today. Let you know what we got going on in the shop. Right here we have a 2006 C6 convertible. It came in for a C&S carbon fiber and black stitch shift knob and a convertible top diagnosis. It ended up being there's a broken piece of the convertible frame right here that has snapped that is preventing the convertible top from going back. Unfortunately, we don't have a top available, so the customer will have to take it to a convertible top shop and try to get it repaired there. Over here, we have a 2006 Z51. It has come in for a leaking transmission issue. The input shaft seal on the transmission is leaking. And we're gonna get that taken care of for him if he wants to go ahead and move forward with that. If you notice, it has C8 wheels on this car. This is a base model C6, yet you'll notice that it has the wide fenders like a Grand Sport or a Z06. All right, so moving on. I know a lot of you will actually enjoy this. I like the idea of it more than actually having to work on this. This is a 1990 C4 ZR1. Steve, the owner here, has bought the car. So we've gone through it just to make sure everything's copacetic, that it'll be roadworthy and safe for anyone to buy. I'm sure it'll be going up for sale shortly. Keep a lookout. I'm sure Tony will post links and new videos when it's up for sale officially. No hate on all you C4 owners. It's just not the one for me. Here we have a 2011 C6 Coupe. It has been brought in for fuel level sensor issues. The DIC keeps on flashing, service fuel system, the gas gauge reads empty, even though the customer knows that it is absolutely slap full of gas. So in order to do that, to even check the fuel level sensors, these tanks will have to come out so that we can access the fuel level sensors because they live inside the fuel pumps at the top of the fuel tanks. Over here, Andy's having some fun with a torque tube rebuild. This is actually a torque tube that was dropped off to us by a customer that has had us perform the rebuild, so we didn't actually have to take it out of the vehicle this time. But it's getting brand new couplers, bearings, and O-rings so that it will be running smoothly, and the shop that dropped it off can reinstall it back into the vehicle correctly. Over here, we have a 2004 C5 commemorative edition. The customer brought it in for a general inspection and also a full LED light upgrade, headlights, parking lamps, tail lights, and the such. Last thing to do on this is get all our fingerprints off of it, which Nick's going to do right now. And the customer will be ready to get on back on the road. Speaking of Nick, let's go take a look at Nick's car. This is Nick Ansbro's 2009 Z06. He is in the middle of giving himself a brand new camshaft. Brand new custom heads, brand new Johnson lifters, and he has this thing absolutely torn apart. We'll take a quick peek here. Seven 7.0, baby. All right, everyone, that's been another shop walk around here at C&S Corvettes. As always, please comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you thought of the video, and we'll try to get another one out here shortly because Tony keeps on pushing me to do them, and you guys seem to want them too. So again, thank you for joining me. I had a good time. I hope you did as well. We'll see you next time. Getting all the B-roll. Sure, but you know, I'm gonna have to put you, like, at least your face on camera. When I say, our own technician, Nick here. It's in the midst of his, I'm just saying, Nick, I gotta make sure they see him. They remember. He's not Andy and he's Nick. Yep. Because everybody that sees their pictures are like, those are the same people. AKA, throw it out.
Hello, it's your Corvette buddy Lyle here from C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. I want to talk to you briefly about something we've had active for quite a long time that I've never mentioned here before. If you are looking to buy a Corvette, or if you are wanting to sell a Corvette, on Facebook, we own something called the Vette Vault. And if you want to go on Facebook and just type in the Vette Vault, it'll take you directly there. This was something we established a long time ago for people wanting to buy and sell Corvettes, but didn't want to pay any fees, buyer or seller. This is a completely free service. The only reason we did it was so that people who wanted to buy and sell Corvettes could find each other without having to pay for the privilege of finding each other. But there's always cars for sale up there. We do limit only to Corvettes, and we don't allow Corvette parts or Corvette automobilia or anything. This is specifically for Corvettes for sale. So if you want to go on there, all you need to do is have a Facebook account. There's no fee to join. You just have to get in there and say, hey, I want to be a part of this. Nothing will ever cost you anything, and it's a good place to see what's available and what things are bringing. So if you are in the market for a Corvette, or you're just interested in watching what these things go for these days, this would be a really great opportunity for $0 for you to follow along. And if you have something that you want to sell, or a Corvette sitting out behind the barn that you are like, oh, I'm never going to do anything with it, this is a place you can put it for sale. Go ahead and visit the Vette Vault and, tell me what you think.